welcome to my channel, and today I will show you some nice bakery in Ozmen. So first of all, look at this big bread and all this savory things with cheese and crusty dough. This is simit, 1 each, or 2 for 150. Okay, now let's move to sweet selection. So this pastry is from Turkey or whatever. It's cost £12 per kilo. This is extremely sweet bakery. So for me it's even difficult to eat because it's so sweet. But you see how nicely it's look like. So you can see one, they call it baklava. So one pack is £4 for few. Huh? No, I already bought everything, so it's okay. So, and this is something like Turkish delight with all different flavors. Very sticky, quite sweet, nice, tasty. This is quite dried cookies. You see, it's very dry. This is a bit softer cookies with some jam inside. So very nice, and there's a lot of sugar powder, so you will be very white if you try it. And what about prices? There are no prices here. And now this is a home bakery of some sweet cakes. Look at the selection. 150 each. This is 350 each, and this is £24. Is this all different design and style and chocolate? It looks amazing. See how they look like. And this is dark chocolate, white chocolate cake. So prices are a little bit high, but for this kind of design I think it's quite good. So it's amazing to look at them. That's it, I think bakery is finished, and now there are some homemade sauces. Again, dates and Dubai chocolate. Now Dubai chocolate, it's standard, but look how expensive it is. But you always can find some Dubai chocolate here. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting videos. Thank you. Bye.